Hi everyone, it's Malika from Simply Savon and welcome back to my channel. So for today I have a very special video for you guys. This is one of the requested video from one of my close friends that I met online. Her name is Iva and she has a daughter who's 10 years old. Her name is Ananya, and Ananya just recently got into makeup and she wants to learn how to properly apply makeup, and so Iva suggested that I should do a tutorial showing Ananya and other tween how to do a very natural everyday makeup look. So here we are doing just that. So I hope Ananya is watching this, and if you are Ananya, you are beautiful, and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get straight to it. Alright, so first let's start with our face or base makeup. I will use a BB cream for my face makeup. I would suggest sticking to something very light like a BB cream, CC cream, or even a tinted moisturizer, because you don't need anything heavy or full coverage like a foundation. You need something to just like give you a nice wash of color and maybe hide any imperfection that you might have. Although I can't imagine you having any like big acne scar like I have right now. So the BB cream that I'm going to use today is from the brand called Borean, and this is the Baby Skin Effect Makeup Care Face Cream 5-in-1. So I really like this BB cream because it has a lot of good stuff in here, and it's supposed to give my face the baby skin effect. That's what I really want. And for young people, I think having something like this will be great. That way it doesn't age your skin. So this is the one that I'm using today, and mine's in the color Caramel. It is not a drugstore brand, but if you want a drugstore BB or CC cream, I would check out the Maybelline Baby Face. I believe that's what it's called. I think that BB cream is pretty good too for a drugstore. So yeah, so here is how much the BB cream I'm going to use on my face. And I'm going to just use my finger to apply this BB cream right at the center of my face. And what I really like about this BB cream is that I could just use my finger to blend it, and the warmth of the finger helps to blend the BB cream to your skin better. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to apply this with my hand and blend it in. And I really like this BB cream because even though it's a very light formula BB cream, it's giving me enough coverage that I need for everyday wear. And I think even adult with mature skin, you can still use this BB cream. And I'm just blending this BB cream out from the center of my face to the side of my face and kind of really blend in along my hairline. And we don't want any like extra product around this area, so you want to blend it out really good. And as you can see, this BB cream is really great. It's already like covered most of my acne scar, but yet still make my skin look very natural, like my natural skin still peek through. Alright, so for the eyes, we're going to keep it very simple. I'm just going to apply one coat of this mascara right here that I have, and it's from Too Faced. It's the waterproof mascara, and a good dupe for this would be the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which is a drugstore brand. So if you're interested, check that out. And like always, I'll have the links of all the products I'm using in this video today down in the description box below. So we're going to apply one coat of this mascara on my upper lash only. And one trick that I have learned throughout the year when it comes down to mascara, especially for those who start using mascara, is you want to look down when you apply mascara. So grab your mirror, like a small mirror like this, and then look down in the mirror and apply mascara that way. And this will help prevent the mascara touching your eyelids and create a messy eyelids later on, and you don't want that. Stop it, booty. And in case you guys haven't noticed the difference between this eye and this eye, the mascara really open up my eyes and make it look more refreshed, and this is just one coat. So that's why I feel like when it comes down to eye makeup, a mascara is all you need. So I'm going to apply another coat of that on the other side. Next, let's move on to blush, and the blush I'm using today is from Too Faced. It's the Sweetheart blush in the color Sparkling Bellini. So this is what it looks like. It has 3 colors, just a beautiful coral color. I would recommend to stick with a lighter color or brighter color blush because it looks more youthful when you use a brighter, lighter color shades. So this is the one that I have in my hand, and the brush I'm using to apply that on my cheek today is from It Cosmetics. This is the Flawless brush, and I really like this because it's big and fluffy, and I could just pick it up and swirl it around like this, and then I dust out any extra powder on the top of the brush. And I would smile when I apply my blush, so just smile, and then right in this area right here is where you want to apply your blush. And I really like this blush because it has a little bit of a shimmer color, like a shimmery shade, so it looks like you have blush and highlight all in one. So I really like this. So smile and then find that cheek of yours and pop that blush right there. And then you can just swipe it up like this, upward a little. So this will just give you like a natural flush. And we're done with the cheek color. Last but not least is our lip. So for the lips, I would stick with a lip balm or lip glosses and something very light and glossy and moisturize your lip at the same time. And the one I'm using today is from Lancome. This is the Juicy Shaker. It's like a lip gloss, and it's come in this cool bottle, and you can shake it up, and here's a beautiful, very like pinkish red color, and it has this cool applicator on the end. So I'm just going to apply that directly on my lips. And then pack my lip together like this. And I'm going to use my finger to kind of blend out the color and take off any extra color from the lips. And we are done, guys. We're done with the look. Alright, so here's my finishing look. It's super natural, it's on the lighter side, and I don't think you will get in trouble if you were to wear this to school every day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, by the way, and if you have any video requests, then let me know. I can do one for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, of course, and follow me on Instagram at Simply Savon, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah!